And I'm the director and CEO.
Yes.
But I served in Kenya Wildlife Service for 28 years. Before I became a big boy and told to go and build another home. The service, we have formally now released the parcels that the multi-agency team that had the National Land Commission, the AG, when we were delinking the parcels of land that we'll be using to promote research and training for the people of Kenya in the sector.
75–80% of the visitors who come to this country through our own data collections have confirmed that they come for game viewing. So if our wildlife numbers, if our wildlife industry is going to collapse, then it means definitely we are going to impact a significant sector for our economy. And
people are driving change, and much of that change is affecting wildlife negatively. So we really have to join hands to make things move in the right direction. It's quite delicate. What's happening in the Mara and the spectacle there and the great things, they are great really. But for those people who know a lot of details, you have a lot to worry about.